Hello, and welcome to today's lesson. Today we will study the pronunciation sections from W.I.S.E Starter Units 3 and 4. We will start with 15 or 50. We're talking about word stress. You can see the words 15 and 50 both have two syllables, 15, 50. But their word stress is different. See, the first syllable is very short and quiet. The second syllable is longer and louder. So we say 15, 15, 15. 50 is the other way. So this time the first syllable is long and loud, and the second syllable is short and quiet. 50, 50, 50. If you know this, it's easy to distinguish when you hear 15 and 50. If you don't know this, it can be very confusing. Right, please repeat these words after me. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now listen and write the number. For example, number 1 is 60, 60. Write the rest of the answers on your worksheet. Number 2, 18, 18. Number 3, 19, 19. Number 4, 30, 30. Number 5, 14, 14. Number 6, 50, 50. Number 7, 40, 40. Number 8, 13, 13. Number 9, 80, 80. Number 10, 15, 15. Excuse me. Now we're going to look at word stress. You can see all these words here have two syllables: English, sorry, money, table, pencil, about, again, repeat, excuse, July. These have three syllables: terrible, family, Saturday, expensive, 11, September. These two-syllable words have the stress on the first syllable. English, English. Let's read them. Repeat after me. English, sorry, money, table, pencil. These two-syllable words have the stress on the second syllable. The second syllable is loud and long. Let's read these, everybody. About, again, repeat, excuse, July. Now these three-syllable words have the pattern darded it. Darded it. The first syllable is loud and long. For example, terrible, ter. The first syllable is loud and long. Ribble, short and quiet. Let's read these, everybody. Terrible, family, Saturday. These three-syllable words have the stress on the middle syllable, didard it, right? Expensive, pen is long and loud. Let's read these, everybody. Expensive, 11, September. Right, now the quiz. This time I will say a word and you choose the stress pattern. Is it dard it, 2 syllables, stress on the first one? Didar, 2 syllables, stress on the second syllable. Darded it, 3 syllables, stress on the first syllable. Didard it, 3 syllables, stress on the second syllable. For example, number 1, oh, I should tell you first, shouldn't I? Number 1 is July. July. July is B. It's the pattern B, July. 2-syllable word and the stress is on the second syllable. There you are. July, B. Stress pattern B. Right? Listen to 2 to 10 and write A, B, C, or D on your worksheet. Number 2, family. Family. Number 3, sorry. Sorry. Number 4, again. Again. Number 5, money. Money. Number 6, expensive. Expensive. Number 7, September. September. Number 8, repeat. Repeat. Number 9, table. Table. Number 10, terrible. Terrible. Okay, that is the end of today's lesson. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye. See you next time.